Toon Boom Harmony is one of the best 2D animation software that is being used by both hobbyists and professionals. Today we are gonna go through an overview of its main features and what is generally used for. It is a complete studio that enhances your creative process from sketch to the final animation. The choices are limitless in each and every tool, from the preset and customizable brushes to the pixel-perfect color and blending controls. It allows you not only to animate, but also to start making digital art from scratch with the richest drawing tools. Toon Boom Harmony is suitable for any sort of 2D animation such as cartoons, anime, TV shows, YouTube explainer videos, games, and much more. The latest release is Harmony 20, and it comes with a great set of new features and improvements. Highly intuitive interface and customizable drawing tools. Harmony comes with a UI that you can adjust according to your needs and workflow. You have the entire freedom to add, hide, and move tabs to help you focus and work on a specific task. There is also the possibility to save your frequent workspace layouts into a library of preset UI preferences, making it easy to browse the tabs settings within seconds. Not to mention the predefined brushes that you can diversify by importing your own favorite brushes that you made in other software. But it does not stop there, since you can create your own new brushes by adjusting the parameters of transparency, pressure sensitivity, strokes, and all sorts of textures until you are satisfied. Enhanced sketching process and camera motion features. The drawing tools allow you to sketch your scenes and characters in no time, in addition to cleaning them very easily. Harmony comes with a new engine to increase the precision of your cleaning, such as the stabilizer, the cutter, and the full strength tool. The software also gives you the possibility to animate your sketches in depth using the camera motion feature. You don't have to animate the entire layer. Instead, you just zoom in, zoom out, or tilt your 2D scene along with the sketch components to make it even more vivid and natural. The depth perspective is assisted by customizable guidelines that you can apply manually, or by dropping a grid over the layer. Harmony has more perspective features such as 3D positioning, which allows you to import pre-designed scenes and preserve their layers and depth. Fully assisted animation, rigging, and compositing process. The animation in Harmony is enhanced by powerful tools all along from the sketch to the final project exported. You can control your steps, poses, and scenes by fractions of a second using either keyframes or live XSheet timeline. Coloring and texturing have never been easier with Toon Boom Harmony using layer parenting and multiple section ranges. Not to mention rigging your characters that has become more and more realistic with the joints feature, puppet skeleton, and other features. Various resolutions and formatting options. The resolution choices had tremendous improvements to match the growing needs of the media and entertainment industries. It goes from HDTV, 4K, and even more to take your work to the next level of visual quality. Not to mention the numerous options of digital formatting such as vectors, raster images, PSD files, and even bitmaps. It allows you to have more freedom in your work with high efficiency rate thanks to the built-in cross-platform engines. Harmony also allows you to push your projects even further by giving you the chance to benefit from the advantages of both bitmap and vector format. It is a hybrid preset that allows you to fully control the appearance of your line art, in addition to keeping it natural, organic, and fluid. Remote project management and teamwork. You are most likely familiar with the typical standalone application that you can buy as a package and install locally on your device. In Harmony, there is another way to do things to make it easier for studios, companies, and professional teams. This feature allows you to use the software as a mutualized database where you can put all your files on a server. Then your team members can access it whenever they need to. You can automate the process to make it synchronize with your project, and you can secure your data in a very effective way. System requirements and pricing plans. Harmony comes with really powerful tools and advanced engines that allow you to foolproof your production. You can pretty much create anything with this tool in a very high quality, going through different and complex stages such as rigging, compositing, and animating. Therefore, it is natural to see that the system requirements level match up to this full-featured animation software. You will need a minimum setup of a Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 560. But the recommended setup goes till Core i7 processor, 32GB of RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. The software comes in 3 versions according to prices and key features. The first one is Harmony Essentials, which is a light version with all the basic tools that you can get for $25 per month. Wider access to features and mutualized co-working server is available in Harmony Advanced version for $63 per month. The ultimate access to all features comes with Harmony Premium Full Studio version for $115 per month. In other words, Toon Boom Harmony is a tool for all budgets and purposes when it comes to modern 2D animation work. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.